Santa arrives on an ocean breeze. He's putting presents under the palm trees. And Malika-Licky-Macaw means Merry Christmas. And coconut milk and cookies makes him clap his hands. We wiggle our mistletoes in the sand. And Malika-Licky-Macaw means Merry Christmas. Reindeer prancers, we all dance, a whole lot for Saint Nick. A floral holly keeps him jolly as he flies off to finish his trip. Though we say please stay, he jumps in his sleigh. Before he left he had this to say: Malika-Licky-Macaw means Merry Christmas. Oh, Malika-Licky-Macaw means Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas.